been so long since I've messed this stupid thing. Well, it's been a while since I've been on this side of the camera. 4 months into the last video was in beginning of February. And that's kind of where this story kind of takes off. You'll notice the scenery here is a little bit different from my normal, where I usually film. And I won't go into it. I won't sit here and drag it out. I won't lead you guys on. This isn't your normal car video, if you haven't noticed. If you care about, what's been going on, if you care about where I've been, anything about me, you'll want to watch this one and the subsequent rebuilding videos after this. Went through a divorce. Brooke and I, we separated back in February. It wasn't messy, it wasn't bad, it wasn't anything. It was mutual. It's mutual now. I wanted to make sure I was in a good headspace before I made this video and kind of announced it. But since my life is in the public domain, as far as I can control that, I want to let you guys know through this medium, because it's where you've seen the rest of my life. You saw my marriage on YouTube. You saw my engagement. You saw all my personal, intimate details. So I figure this is just kind of one to put on there too. So I made the last hard talking video about losing a job and starting my media career, and I said I didn't want to make this video. Well, I really didn't want to have to make this video. I don't want to go into the details. I don't want to go deep into it to respect her privacy and my privacy, but it's okay. We're both okay. She's doing okay. I'm doing okay. It sucks, you don't get married to get divorced, and I know a lot of you have been through that. This is tough. It's be very difficult. And I'm staying here just outside of Hot Springs with my sister. She has a nice house and offered for me to stay, and so I got back on my feet, and I want to kind of take you guys along on that journey of getting back on my feet. So I've had a hard time trying to kind of get my schedule together and getting a routine back. He's completely soaked from the pond. He just put his paw up on me. Dog. I'm a wreck. The good thing is Enzo's really enjoying it here. He likes it here a lot, which is good. And I like it here a lot too. It's very relaxing. It's a good environment to be in. I don't know how much detail I want to go into. I'll probably cut a lot out of this. I missed the 100-acre woods rally for the first time in 8 years. And that's just because I was right in the middle of all the stuff, trying to transition. I was selling the house. And that weekend was the weekend I just sold my house and was trying to move into here at my sister's house. So I put off that event to kind of get my stuff together and kind of rebuild and kind of refocus myself there. Ace is doing well. I've seen him a couple times over the last few months. Still doing our co-parent thing where we hang out every once in a while. And I don't want to put you guys through a whole lot of emotional stuff, but I am coming back to YouTube. I needed this. I need this camera time therapy. I need someone to keep me accountable, because I'm having a hard time doing that by myself right now. I have no real steady job. I don't have a house. I don't have a family. All those things I was really proud of at one time, I don't have anymore. So the one thing that I've built organically by myself is YouTube. I've made a lot of friends and family through that, so I'm okay. I am just, it's hard to open back up to this. But on the bright side, I have been picking up some hobbies again. I've been working on the CRX quite a bit, working on the Gold Wagon, worked on the Cayenne too, which I've done some modifications to Cayenne. I'll show you along the way. I want to kind of announce that I'm going to do some daily vlogging again. I'm officially announcing it right now that unofficially it's going to be called Recovery, and it's going to be kind of like a video journal of me trying to find some place in this universe for myself, trying to figure out where I belong. Because right now I don't have that spot. I don't feel like I belong anywhere. I don't feel like I have a home. So yeah, you guys will get to see from ground zero me rebuilding all over again. But I want to reach out to people who out there who, first and foremost, are going to say, hey, I'm so sorry that happened. I don't want to hear that. I don't. I'm thankful for what I have, thankful for the family I have, I'm thankful for my health, Enzo and Derp, the accomplishments I made along the way. But I don't want to hear, oh, I'm so sorry to hear that for you. I'll be praying for you. I'll be doing, just save that for somebody else who's in dire needs. I'm okay. I'm going to be okay. I am okay. It's just tough. I have my good days, I have my bad days, and I have my really bad days. And today wasn't the best. I just had kind of a low day, so me and Enzo went and drove around. But yeah, over the next few months, I'll be showing you guys kind of around Hot Springs and then kind of around what I do, and it'll be a good way to reconnect and kind of reintroduce myself, because I'm kind of figuring out who I am again. So yeah, today will be the first entry in the daily vlogs. The last time I did daily vlogs, I did about a month straight. I'd like to go a little bit further this way. I had to keep on going all through summer. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be really tough. But what else do I got going on? I will upload these a little bit in advance. That way I kind of get ahead of my schedule. Join me in the live stream after this, and we'll catch up. See you guys.